Hi friends, welcome all of you to the session for the digital marketing. Friends, let's start talking about off-page optimization. Basically, so far we have discussed about on-page activity. That means to say whatever the changes that you need to make on your website, once you are done with that, you need to start submitting it on various other platforms. That is where we call it off-page optimization. Any of the submissions or any of the changes that you are making out of the website will be considered under off-page optimization. Now, first important aspect of off-page optimization is quality link building. Say for example, we are talking about quality link building. It's basically how important external links are there for search engine optimization purpose. What you need to do is you need to request with various other webmasters or various other website owners so that they link your website with a described pattern connected with the content of it, and then that will be linked back to your website. So if we summarize it, no matter how skillful and attractive your website is designed, however you have designed it, but how search engine friendly it is made. Say you have designed your website quite beautifully, it is search engine friendly, it may never move to the first page of the Google unless it has good number of quality link backs. Means how popular you are among other websites, that's also going to contribute towards success of keyword ranking. So moving forward, types of link building, there are three kinds of link building that strategy that one has to follow. It's a one-way link building, second one is reciprocal link building, and third one is three-way link building. Now moving forward, when we are going to talk about one-way link building, what exactly one-way link building means? That any of the site, any of external site which is linking back to your website, whereas you are not linking it back to them. So that means to say there is an inflow of link which is happening from external website to your website. That is basically called one-way link building. Now second point is reciprocal link building. Now what do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal means you take certain steps, in reciprocation of it, other will also take certain steps. That means to say you are linking a website, in return of it, other website is also linking it back to you. So you have one external link which is going to other website, and other website is also linking it back to you. So that is called reciprocal link building. Third important point is three-way link building. Let's understand what do you mean by three-way link building. Now let's understand that there are three different entities, A, B and C. Now website A, website B and website C. So what happens that website B is linked to website A, in return website C is linked to website B, and similarly A could be linked to website C. So that means to say that it's not directly you are linking it back, you are linking it in a indirect way. A is linking to B, B is linking to C, C is linking it back to A. So that is what three-way link building it means. So three kinds of link building: one-way link building, reciprocal link building and three-way link building. Now let's talk about SEO metrics. So Google algorithm measures authority and relevance of the website to choose whether it has to come in the search engine ranking page or not. So SEO metrics is basically Google's algorithm. It's basically Google algorithm which measures the authority and the relevance of a website. Based on that, Google will decide whether that particular link, that particular site is going to come in the search engine result page or not. So that is basically metrics of Google. Now moving forward is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to the technique that can be used to improve the position of a website in the search engine result page. So basically it's out of your website, whatever the things, whatever the activity that you are going to do, that will actually affect the improvement of the position of search engine rankings. So off-page activities. Few of the important off-page activities are directory submission, search engine submissions, social bookmarking, classified ad posting, article posting, press release, doc posting or PDF postings, or any other thing, any other format of the content being posted on other platforms. So basically it's all of the activity where you inform a directory, a website, or a yellow pages, or any other platform that you are available and you are submitting it. In return, these platforms will give a link back to your main site. So these will be covered under off-page activity. Now, advanced off-page activity. In advanced off-page activity, there are few more techniques. That's what we are going to talk about. It's guest blogging. What do you mean by guest blogging? Guest blogging is basically, there are various blogs which are available and you are a blogger for that, you are guest poster for that, you write for that particular blog on a various topic, and in return your bio of the blogger, you are actually linking it, you might be linking it back to the main site. Second important point is infographics. What is infographics? Information plus graphics. If you combine it, it comes infographics. That means to say there is a life cycle, there is a pictorial and the content representation that will come under infographics. Third important point is video sharing. All of us know that we can create a video. We can create a video with a simple camera with our smartphones. We can create with the digital cameras. You create videos and share it on a video sharing websites. Fourth important point is image sharing. Like Picasso, you have other platforms as well on which you create image and then share it. Fourth, beyond that, Yahoo Answer is also there, where you may start answering various questions that is available on that. You may create a question and ask someone else to answer it, or someone else has created a question, you can answer that. Moving forward, you have a business local listings as well. There are various portals, there are various business listing sites. You can list yourself on those websites. And last but not the least, you create a document, PDF, PPT and all, and you share it on the networks. Now let's understand what does guest blogging actually mean. So guest blogging is basically very important aspect of off-page optimization. What actually you need to do? Let's understand the basic step of guest blogging. One thing is, like, once you create a blog, and after that what you need to do? First you need to understand why do you need a blog to be created. You need a blog to be created because content is something which is going to play a major role, and it is a platform by which you can ask people to get connected on. You can invite people to comment on it, you can invite people to write some article on it, so they will be writing it, they will be posting on your website. As an authority of that particular blog, you may accept, you may edit it, and then you can post it. Now what are the various activities that you will start doing on the blog? You will request people to subscribe your blog. You will request people to become a follower of your blog. Similarly, you can link your blog to other blogging, other websites. It can create inquiries, it creates relationship, reputations, sales, and finally outcome is call for action that could be either in the format of traffic or in format of sales. So overall, you need to engage. Blog actually helps the visitors to get engaged in certain set of activity. Either it could be subscriber, follower, or giving a link, or generating inquiries, or relationship, or it could be reputation, or finally it could be sales. So all of these things could be the outcome of blogging. Now let's understand what do you mean by infographics. Look at this picture. It is talking about yes and no format. That means to say, if you get an information in the yes format, there is some other action that need to be done. If not, then what else to be done? So basically this is a flow of information that is getting presented in the information and the graphics format. You may create any other format of infographics. There is no hard code or hard pattern which is available. It's your own creativity that you created either in this format or with the image or with the cartoon or any other format. Ultimate thing is like you are driving some information and a call for action related to it. So that is basically called infographics. Now next important point is video marketing. It's not important to define a video, but it's more important how you can share those videos at various platforms. Now mostly we know about YouTube or we know about Google Video, whereas there are a lot of other platforms as well which are available. It's like blip.tv, it's Bolt, Dailymotion, Flick Life, And similarly, Yahoo also have a video platform. So you have a various free video platforms which are available. You create video, create variations and post it. So that is also going to help you in generating visibility on the website, in the search engine. At the same time, these videos may also get listed in Google search engine result pages, and automatically that will bring some traffic to your website. Next important point is photo sharing. Photo sharing, like video sharing, you have an option called photo sharing. For photo, you may create a still photograph of your own office or some of the product, or you create some image, or you take some photographs and then you customize it and then you post it. You may create a galleries either on the Flickr or on any other platform. It's Picasa is there, Flickr is there. Similarly, Snapfish is also there. So these are few of the image sharing platforms on which you may end up posting many images. Now what you need to do is you need to optimize the image as well. You write a proper tag for your image, name of the image, then you provide a description and then you post it. There is a possibility that these images will also start coming in the Google search result page. Moving forward, next important point is PPT presentation, that is PowerPoint presentation. What you do for your website, for your customers, for anyone else, you create a PowerPoint presentation and then you write a content, you use infographics, you use any other things, and then all creative aspect of it you can put it in your presentation, and you can share these presentations on various PowerPoint sharing platforms. One popular example is SlideShare. You may post it over there as well. Now once you have done all of those things, now next important point is increase your social presence. So what you will be doing? You have created videos, you have created infographics, you have created PPTs, all of these things, all are different format of the content. What you are going to do? Now you are going to increase the social presence, and you will start sharing these things on the social media platform. Start sharing, posting on your friends network, your friends wall, or various groups. You join various groups, start posting it over there, and you slowly you will be more popular. A typical example that I'll give you, safe example, you created a PowerPoint and post it on your LinkedIn profile. The moment you post it on the LinkedIn profile, it gets circulated to all of the networks which is connected with your profile. At the same time, it will also go to all of the groups that you have joined, and it also has an option that it will get posted on the Facebook at the same time your Twitter wall. So all of these things can happen by incorporating one single URL of the PPT or a video or any other infographics. It will be shared among all of the network. So what you need to do is start working on the social media presence. Moving forward, this is again a very critical and the important aspect of off-page optimization. You need to list it into the Google local listing. What do you mean by Google local listing? Google has a option that you list your business with the address, phone number and other details, and you link it with your Google map, Google local listing, and finally you will be always there in the Google search results. If someone is searching with that kind of platform, someone is searching for a particular keyword, it may appear in the Google local listing. Now let's understand what is this screen talking about. It's talking about SEO strategy 2014 which works well. Few of the SEO strategy that will work well in 2014, and we are in 2014. So let's talk about one important thing is mobile SEO. As we are in 2014, we are going to talk about few of the SEO strategy that is going to work in 2014. First is mobile SEO. You need to create your website in such a format that it is compatible with mobile device or tablets, because smartphones are increasing, tablet usage are also increasing. So optimize your website for mobile. Second important point is content optimization. You write more and more kind of content, more and more different kind of content. It could be various format of content, need not to always a text content, it could be any other format of text content, using it in the blogs, and then you promote it. You should have some schemas and the schedule data that should also be there, and then you start bringing relevant traffic to your blogs, relevant traffic to your website, and start populating it into social media. So these are the 5 important aspects that we need to more concentrate in 2014 for better SEO results. Moving forward, first step for mobile SEO, let's talk about what is the fact that is being talking about over here. Some experts have been emphasizing the importance of the mobile search throughout the past year, but there is a simple no way ignoring its importance since 2014. Now this is what we need to concentrate more on. Your website should be mobile friendly. You should be linked with various other websites which also gives results in mobile search results, and these mobile performing websites will also contribute a lot. If your website is mobile performing, that is also going to be given a positive weightage towards the success of your search engine ranking. So first and foremost thing is like optimize yourself for mobile. You cannot ignore this step in 2014. Second SEO strategy is content optimization. We all know content is king in current scenario. So what we need to do is like we need to actually work on more and more number of content, creative content, variety of content. It could be image, it could be any other format, and then we need to keep on posting. Most of the business is SEO strategy for the year. It is the strategy for this year. Now, however, the type of content that ranks well for certain search queries has been changing, and this will continue to change in 2014. Various Google algorithm changes that is also happening. Similarly, for example, Google Hummingbird update that has happened, and this has some related with the kind of searches, the kind of results that is happening based on the content. So overall, when we talk about content is another second most important aspect of search engine strategy. Next, moving forward, it's create a conventional content, conversational content. Moving forward, let's create a conversational content. What do you mean by conversational content? It's basically that you are talking to the audience. You should not, let's not write about that some kind of white paper or something like the research paper kind of thing. You are talking to your audience, that way you start writing it, because if you are writing this kind of content, what will happen, and you are sharing it on your social profiles, social platforms, what will happen, that people will start reacting on it. They will write something, they will like it, they may comment it, and that is what that can happen. So overall, if we talk about a different kind of content that should be written, and it should be more of a conversation kind of thing rather than a monotonous kind of thing. Now focus on a long tail queries in a content optimization as well. Let's focus on the long tail queries. What do you mean by long tail queries? Software is a single keyword. Software development is a double word keyword. Similarly, software development company. Software development company in Hyderabad. Software development company in Hyderabad is a long tail keyword. So what we are trying to talk about, let's focus on long tail keywords. There is a possibility that you may get less number of traffic, but there is a strong possibility that you will get a qualified leads out of it. If you work on long tail queries, it is going to bring more number of qualified leads than a smaller or a generic kind of keywords. Now let's talk about bringing relevant traffic. When we are talking about video optimization, content optimization, variety of the content and all, ultimate target is bringing the relevant traffic. It's not bringing traffic, it's bringing relevant traffic. Unless until your target audience is not coming to your website, either through the blogs or through your mobile optimized page or through image optimization or through videos and all. So if relevant, your kind of target audience, is not coming to your website, it's of no use whatever the activity that you do. There may not be much volume in a certain long tail keywords phrase, but if you optimize for the right search query, the traffic that it brings converts much better. That is the key of long tail keyword. With this in mind, it is important that you look to answer questions that potential customers may be asking. This question answer session forum, or say LinkedIn also has a question answer forum. Yahoo has a question answer platform. So what you start doing is like the people who are actually asking for the questions, You start writing an answer as if you are a professional in that particular field. More and more start doing it. People will feel that you are more aggressive on it, more interactive, and they will start contacting you for various services. Structured data is next important aspect. How planned a way, how structurefully you are actually presenting your complete data. That is also going to create a major role in search engine ranking. Structured data is something, let's see what structured data means. Structured data markup, it's a schema, microdata, microforms, etc. can be used to mark up elements of your website in order to help the search engines understand exactly what you do and the type of products and services advertised on your website. So this actually triggers Google or search engine that what exactly you are doing. Second point, that if you concentrate, Google have been adding rich snippets within their search results to provide their user with the most information about the listing provided in the search engine results. So these are basically new things or schemas. More and more you start using these things, there is a possibility that your website will be pushed in the higher placement of Google search engine results. Now let's see what after all of these activities, fifth strategy is social media optimization. What we are going to talk about, Google are increasingly taking social media authority signals into account. That means to say, if you have posted a particular link or a particular video or a particular infographics on a social platforms, number of people who have liked it, number of people commented on it, number of people who have actually shared your information as well, all these things are going to contribute a lot, and that is basically called social signal. Most and most social signal will come into the picture that will be ranking better in search engine results. So one social media, that's not only the end of it, it's basically Google authorship is also one of the very important aspect of it. It has a certain steps to follow, you follow it. So what it is, establishing Google authorship of the content you will be producing via your news area, blogs, and typing it to your Google things. So what actually you are trying to do is like, basically once you create this, what happens that Google considers that you are authorized to publish these kind of news or the content on the platform of the internet, and Google takes it very positively, and that is basically called author rank, and that is also a very critical aspect of search engine optimization strategy for 2014. So my dear friends, we have discussed about various concepts of off-page optimization. We will be discussing more in coming sessions. So to reach us, you can always reach us directly at eMerchant Academy, that is www.emerchantacademy.com, or reach us directly at 9849 256 286. Thank you very much. Have a good day.